This is the LYRA-8 organismic synthesizer, and it's a very fitting name. And it's quite hard to explain what it is really. I would say that it's truly an instrument. It's built like a tank. It has 8 voices with individual tuning. You can modulate the voices. You have an LFO. You have a mod delay section, which is really nice. You also have drive. And it outputs mono, but the sound is massive. It's truly an instrument. So without further ado, here is my first performance on the LYRA-8, and it's also released over at Bandcamp, as well as to all patrons. So here we go.
So that was my first performance with the LYRA-8 from Soma Laboratory, and I don't really know what to say about this synth. I will definitely do more follow-up videos on it, so I'd love to hear from you what you want to know about it. I can honestly say that it's not a synth for everyone. It's not something I'd recommend a beginner, for example, but I would recommend it to anybody who really wants to explore sounds and want to have a synth that gives you sort of a gut punch, because it's a very physical experience playing it. It's very, very different from anything else I've been playing on these last few years, and I feel like every time I turn it on I go some strange place and create something weird but also beautiful. And sometimes it just sounds weird and a little bit out of tune, but I still enjoy it. It's a very strange experience playing it. I feel it's a bit like a relationship. The more effort I put into understanding the quirkiness of the LYRA-8, the more it sort of gives back. So if you want to, you can go and listen to the 2 songs I made with it, and let me know in the comment section what you think about the Lyra, its sound. If you have experience with it, please feel free to link your music that you made with it, and I hope to see you in the next video. So thank you so much and have a great day.